Imagine living in a house that literally responds to you. Lights that adjust to your mood, gadgets that learn your habits, and robots that become part of your daily life. Welcome to the smart homes of the future. Today, we're diving into 20 incredible gadgets that are turning ordinary houses into living, breathing tech ecosystems. Let's kick it off with something that's flying above the rest. The DJI Flip drone isn't just a cool aerial toy. It's an ultra-compact, sub-250-gram drone that folds to fit right in your palm. It shoots stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and is stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. This little beast is blowing up on TikTok for a reason. People are using it to capture cinematic shots of their homes, backyards, and vacations like never before. Imagine launching it from your smart deck, doing a quick scan of your roof, or just getting those perfect sunset clips. Whether you're into aerial photography or just want a futuristic home companion, this drone is the kind of high-flying tech your smart home deserves. Now, let's drop back to Earth with something that's as cute as it is useful. Meet the Raincloud Humidifier. It's not your average mist machine. This one looks like a fluffy little cloud floating above your nightstand. Instead of blowing mist from the top, it gently rains from underneath, creating a calming and magical vibe. Trending under #CoolGadgets, it's perfect for bedrooms or baby nurseries. It helps balance the humidity levels while doubling as a quirky decor piece. Turn it on at night and it feels like your room is getting a soothing digital drizzle. Functional and whimsical? Yes, please. And speaking of magical little things, the Inkless mini printer is like something out of a sci-fi film. It's a pocket-sized thermal printer that needs no ink. Ever. Just load it with special paper and print photos, to-do lists, stickers, or notes straight from your phone. People are going wild over this on TikTok, especially students and journaling fans. It's super quiet, super portable, and surprisingly fast. Stick it on your desk or carry it in your bag for on-the-go productivity. No smudges, no cartridges, and absolutely no hassle. Now here's one you'll want in every room. The Herb Saver Pod. This isn't your average kitchen container. It's designed to look stylish on your countertop while keeping herbs like cilantro, basil, and parsley fresh for up to 3 weeks. No more slimy greens or last-minute store runs. Its sleek, see-through design lets you admire your herbs, while a built-in water reservoir extends their life. It's TikTok famous for a reason. It actually works. If you love cooking or just want your fridge to feel less like a graveyard for greens, this is a game changer. Next up, something that's redefining beauty storage. The Beauty Cooler Skincare Fridge. Compact, elegant, and temperature-controlled, this little fridge is blowing up among skincare lovers on TikTok and Instagram. It keeps serums, jade rollers, creams, and masks at optimal temps, so you're not just pampering your skin, you're preserving the potency of your products. It's not just functional, it looks fabulous too, making it the ultimate shelfie accessory. Perfect for your bedroom, vanity, or bathroom. It adds a touch of luxury while delivering real skincare benefits. And here's one that hits your senses in the best way. The Ginko Smart Diffuser Light. This is part aromatherapy diffuser, part ambient light, and all aesthetic. Crafted from natural wood and designed to look like a sculptural art piece, it releases calming essential oils while casting a warm glow. Whether you're winding down after a long day or setting the mood for your morning routine, this gadget transforms your space into a relaxing oasis. Get ready to take out the trash without ever touching it. Meet the Townew Smart Waste Bin. This hands-free trash conceals the bag for you, replaces the liner, and even closes its lid automatically when it senses movement. Yep, no more wrestling with overfilled bags or getting your hands dirty. It's been going viral under #Amazon finds, and once you try it, you'll understand why. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. This gadget brings hygiene, automation, and style together in one sleek design. Heading out for a picnic or tailgate? You're going to want the Backtap Backpack Cooler. This isn't just a cooler, it's a fashion-forward wearable drink station. Insulated to keep beverages cold for hours, and designed like a backpack for portability, it's ideal for park days, road trips, or backyard hangouts. It's making a splash on TikTok and Amazon because it's not only functional, it looks cool doing it. Party ready and totally practical. Now for the plant parents out there, this one's for you. Say hello to the Plantiform Smart Indoor Garden. It's self-watering, self-cleaning, and even uses fog instead of soil to grow your herbs and microgreens. Plus, built-in LED lights mimic natural sunlight so you can grow fresh greens year-round. No green thumb required. Its futuristic design fits seamlessly into smart homes, and it's already making waves in sci-fi aesthetic videos. Seriously, it feels like gardening in the year 2050. Ever wished your house could recognize you and respond like a loyal pet? Meet the Samsung Ballie robot, your new AI-powered home companion. This rolling smart assistant follows you around, projects helpful info on your walls, and even controls your smart home devices. It's not just functional, it's friendly, reactive, and kind of adorable. Unveiled at CES, Ballie's demos have gone viral for good reason. It's like having R2-D2 with a smart home IQ, making your home feel truly alive. Now here's a gadget that's transforming how we work and create. The Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 is a laptop with a rollable screen. Yup, its 14-inch display literally unrolls to become 16 inches. This flexible tech isn't just for show, it's perfect for multitasking, creators, and anyone tired of being boxed into a static screen size. You've probably seen the unroll demos trending across YouTube. They're jaw-dropping. It's a laptop that evolves with you. Imagine sunglasses that change tint based on your environment and can display augmented reality content. That's the magic of the Camelo Aura smart sunglasses. These futuristic shades went viral at CES with their seamless style and functionality. Whether you're stepping into bright sunlight or navigating indoor spaces, they adjust in real time. Plus, they're packed with subtle AR overlays for things like navigation, fitness, or even translating signs. It's like stepping into the world of sci-fi, except it's already here. Now let's switch gears to bedtime tech. The Oslo Sleep Buds are not just wireless earbuds, they're your personal sleep coach. Designed to mask unwanted noise, these sleek buds also track your biometrics like heart rate and sleep patterns. The data syncs to an app that helps optimize your rest and recovery. They're gaining serious traction on TikTok and CES recaps, especially among light sleepers and wellness lovers. If you're tired of waking up groggy, Oslo might be your nighttime game changer. And for those who live off the grid or want to be prepared for anything, meet the HMD off-grid satellite tag. This compact gadget adds satellite messaging and emergency SOS features to older smartphones. No signal, no Wi-Fi, no problem. Perfect for campers, hikers, or just smart emergency prep, this device turns even a basic phone into a survival tool. It's crowdfunding like wildfire and already making waves on Product Hunt. Simple, rugged, and potentially life-saving. Say hello to Luna Petbot, your new AI-powered pet robot with serious charm. Unlike stiff traditional bots, Luna is designed to express emotion, recognize faces, and even follow you around the house like a curious puppy. It interacts with humans and pets alike, making it a family favorite. And it's packed with smart home integration and monitoring features too. This little companion's expressive animations and voice responses have made it one of the most talked about CES gadgets. Whether you're looking for security or just a friendly AI buddy, Luna adds a dose of joy to everyday life. Now for the content creators and tech-savvy travelers, meet the Godox MA5R MagSafe Video Light. It's an ultra-slim RGB LED panel that snaps magnetically onto your phone via MagSafe and doubles as a power bank. Whether you're shooting videos at night, hopping on a Zoom call, or capturing the perfect selfie, this light adapts with full color control. Creators love how compact and bright it is, perfect for vlogging, live streaming, or just elevating your lighting game on the go. Stylish, practical, and glowing with potential. And now something that's basically wearable science fiction. Even G1 smart glasses. These glasses feature a subtle waveguide AR display hidden inside normal-looking frames. You won't find bulky lenses or obvious tech, just sleek everyday eyewear that can overlay smart data like messages, reminders, or real-time captions. They're pre-launch and already buzzing on tech sites and YouTube previews. With a discreet design and a clear focus on functionality, even G1 is a serious contender in the AR space. Next up, Govee mini panel lights. Because who said smart lighting had to be boring? These curved RGB panels are compact, highly customizable, and powered by AI-driven syncing. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just vibing at home, These lights adapt to music, screen visuals, or even your mood with dynamic lighting effects. They're modular too, so you can create unique shapes on your wall to match your aesthetic. They've gone viral in home decor and ambient lighting videos, and it hinted. Why? It's mood lighting leveled up. Now meet Zenbot AI Companion, a rising star from Kickstarter that feels like part virtual assistant, part emotional support buddy. Zenbot doesn't just respond to commands, it understands your emotions, adapts its tone, and integrates seamlessly with smart home systems. Feeling down? Zenbot might offer a calming light sequence or suggest a short meditation. Need help managing your schedule or turning off the lights? It's on it. This isn't just a device, it's designed to be a comforting, almost human presence in your space. And that emotional layer? That's what's making it one of the most anticipated smart home bots of the year. And that's a wrap on our journey through the smart homes of the future. 20 next-level gadgets. If any of these wowed you, hit that like button and let us know which one you'd add to your dream smart home. And for more future-forward tech, don't forget to subscribe because tomorrow's gadgets are already here. All the links to these gadgets are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.